Mga tol, birthday ng tropa ko si Tol Arvin. Tol, sana mapad mo tong video na to. Happy birthday. You all the best. Punta rin sila mga tol. Dito kami sa kusina nagkakasiyan. Siyempre last day na ng utol kong paalis na to eh. Ilang araw na lang pero mag-duty pa siya. Tol, ulitin ko happy birthday. Salamat sa pinagsamahan natin at sana magkita tayo ulit. Halika nga tol, puntahan natin. Medyo na sila eh. Kanina pa kasi kami nag-inom eh. Pero tingnan natin.
Fuck man, I'm tired of this.
Kaibigan mo. Ano kaibigan mo?
Ito yung tropa ko. Tol,
Oh, you're late.
happy birthday tol lang.
You're still swimming in the collie.
Ayaw pa kayo na.
Ka na naman?
Hindi ano sa kahit paano may kung may alaala ba ako sa tropa ko.
Ala.
Ala
ko.
So,
Oh, Elmer, show my
siyempre
face.
mamapapanood nyo to.
Elmer, show
Alam mo
my
nito
face.
Larvin yan, ha?
Show my face.
Oh, I see your face.
I am the best drunken master here.
Yeah.
You want to admit it? I admit it.
No problem. You can.
It's a video. Oh.
Yes, yes.
My God, delete it, please. I got some.
Mel, 4 months na lang, ilang months na bago ako maglibaw.
Maybe once in a day you become very familiar.
Basta,
Yung mga 2 months bago.
bahala kayo kung sabihin nyo. Basta mga sabi ko, Tol.
One day he become very
Panoorin mo,
familiar
Tol, pag ano, Tol, Tol.
Yeah.
Tol, panoorin mo to pag na-miss mo ako, ha.
Aba, ikaw pa,
Happy birthday.
alamat ng mascot po.
Yeah! Huwag na mag-auto.
Pag
nasa karato ka na pa yan.
Magandang kaarawan
Paring
ko.
John.
Ano ko sa akin? Baka delete pa yan. Sa'yo.
Basta Tol, sana pamanood mo to, Tol. Happy birthday. Si Emilio, ang gwapo, Jerry Crabal
Pero
talaga.
paano, saan siya pupunta ngayon?
Sino?
That's the question, right?
Sino naman?
Saan siya pupunta ngayon? Kasi nag-video siya ngayon eh. Di ba?
Ay, hindi.
Maybe something, maybe he will do something somewhere,
Sa
right?
bayan matulog. Dito ko sa
May pupuntahan ba siya ngayon?
Sabi niya,
Alam mo dyan, pre.
Basta
sabi
yun
niya,
na lang, Tol.
pupunta siya, pero hindi
May
siya
birthday lang, may
trabaho.
birthday. Sana mag-ingat ka lagi, yun lang. Hahaba kami eh. Basta, Tol, I love you, Mama Chuchu.
Alamat ng mascot.
Yeah. Tol, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Sa
Happy birthday, Tol.
konsel ng Bulaw man.
Ako siya naman.
Mayor ng Obo Steakhouse.
Ano masasabi mo kay Tol Arvin?
I will never come back to Oman, Chavez. Alam niya na yan.
What did you say, Ali? What did you say?
I said, hi, hello.
I
You're
want to
lying,
say
brother.
something.
You're lying.
Focus my face, please.
What did you say about my...
The first of all, what I want to say, happy birthday to my brother,
Arvin.
si Arvin.
Okay.
Happy birthday,
Isang
brother.
Pilipino.
Oo, Pinoy ako.
Oh,
Marunong ka mag-Tagalog, di ba?
Oo, alam ko konti lang.
Alam mo,
Pero
Madami.
hindi ako magaling.
Hindi ka magaling.
Pero alam ko konti lang.
Kunti lang.
Patawarin mo ako. Sasabihin ko mamaya English.
English. Okay.
English only, okay?
Okay.
My
Let's say
Filipino
something.
finish now. I'm going to...
But,
I will give you time for laughing
Okay.
next time, okay? Okay.
but happy birthday.
I want to say something. It was a wonderful day.
Okay.
It was really surprise for Mr. Arvin.
Okay.
I just found out when I saw Siren
Okay.
cooking
Actually,
pancit.
what I love in this occasion,
Occasion, okay.
whatever it is, more than the birthday, more than the alak, I love the pancit. This guy who oh my god,
Very masarap.
you deserve very much. Oh my god.
This pancit, very masarap.
If I open a Filipino restaurant, I will make him head chef.
Oh.
Only for pancit. Okay, whatever it
Okay.
is. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
In Indian style, namaste.
Namaste.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, si Arvin.
Arvin.
Enjoy.
Tol, happy birthday, Tol. Hanggang sa ulitin, Tol.
Strong.
Tol, hanggang sa ulitin.
Isip mo talaga.
Salamat, Tol.
Sino na lang?
Tol,
Wala na
salamat.
naman eh.
Happy birthday.
Ilaw na yun eh.
Ayun yun.